Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to buy Deepseek shares. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up Deepseek for yourself. First go to deepseek.com, and after opening it up you can get started registering. So go ahead and create an account if you have not already. Log in and get started exploring the platform. So if you're interested in getting into Deepseek, this is what you can do. Basically, we're going to need a brokerage app, but guys, what you need to do and keep in mind is that Deepseek is not public. You will probably not be able to buy it. As you can see, there is an article right here on how to invest in Deepseek pre-IPO. Currently, it's a private sale, so they have still not gone public. But if you want to, guys, you can go ahead and try. You can get yourself a brokerage app that you think has Deepseek, but currently no brokerage app is offering it because it is not public. So but once it goes public, what you can do is open up any brokerage app that supports Deepseek and search for the stock that you want to buy, and then you can select the amount of shares you want to buy. So once you select the amount of shares, you can go ahead and submit your order, and once you've done that, you'll be a part owner of Deepseek shares. But currently it is still not public, so it's not possible to buy it. You have to wait for the official public launch of the IPO to get into. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.